How to check Venmo transaction history in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to check Venmo transaction history. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to see like Venmo transaction history, and you're gonna see with your eyes that this is something not difficult or complicated at all. Okay, so now I am going to show you how you can do it. So the first thing, go to your phone and go to Venmo app and open it. Okay, after opening your Venmo app, you're gonna find this page. Okay, so what you need to do next is you're gonna find me here. You just need to click on me so you can go to your profile. Okay, and after clicking on me, you're gonna find this page, and what you need to do next so you can be able to see your transaction history on Venmo is you're gonna find the word of transaction here. Okay, you just need to select it, and here you're gonna find all the history of your transactions. Okay, as you can see, for me I don't have any transaction because I didn't made any payments yet, so I don't have any transaction history. But for you, if you made some payments and you are active on the app, you're gonna find all the transaction history here. Okay, as I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow, and you're gonna be able to see or check your transaction history on Venmo. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.